Let's look at this question. It says, find the derivative of this. What this is telling you is to find the y ds of this. Not from the first principle. Just go straight and do the y ds. Okay? This question could also be said, find the y ds of this. Or they will say, differentiate this. If you are asked to find derivative, that is the final answer after the process of differentiation. Differentiation is a process. Derivative is the final answer for this. So find the derivative of this means what is the final answer after you what? Differentiate this. That is where you apply the y ds on this function. Let's see. So you can see in this place, we're going to say the y over the x. That is what will give us the derivative of this. If you apply the general formula which you have just seen, it's simply saying whatever s is carrying should come down. It's like s is complaining that I am tired of carrying this guy. It's too much for me. I say, okay, to recognize that 1 over 2 was on you before, come down. Then, to reduce the load, we remove 1 from this. That is 1 over 2 minus 1. You agree with me that 1 over 2 minus 1 is minus 1 over 2. That is to say, 1 over 2 minus 1, we also put 1 here, just to make the format look the same. We find the SCM as 2. Okay, now this divided by this is 1, multiplied by this is 1. This divided by this is 2, multiplied by this is 2, which is 1 minus 2 is minus 1. That is minus 1 over 2. Okay, so therefore, this is equals to 1 over 2s minus 1 over 2. So therefore, you can leave your answer like this, but this is not professional. You have to now apply your knowledge of indices. That is the reason why you should go and look at indices class if you have not done that. Okay? What is the meaning of this? This is inverse minus. That is 1 over. Okay? So I can say this is 1 over 2 multiplied by s 1 over. This is the 1 over. Then we put what was there before. So we have used this to replace this. Okay? Use the indices. This also means 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over s 1 over 2 like this. Okay? You agree with me that this means square root. Square root. So I am going to introduce square root here now. That is square root of x. Okay? Now this multiplied by this, you agree with me, is 1 all over 2 square root of x. So this is the final professional answer. Okay? If you are my student, you leave your answer here, I will give you like 1/4 of the mark. You need to show that what? You know little mathematics. Okay?